Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcane. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another topic which is cryptocurrency. Also it is known as crypto. Okay, so what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange through a computer network. Okay, so I will discuss elaborately what is cryptocurrency and what its use. Okay, so go to the computer screen. I will discuss elaborately. Okay. Hello friends, today I will discuss the topic cryptocurrency, right? So at first we should know what is cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange through a computer network that is not reliant on any central authority such as a government or bank to uphold or maintain it, right? Cryptocurrency does not exist in physical form like paper money and is typically not issued by a central authority. Cryptocurrencies typically use decentralized control as opposed to a central bank digital currency, right? When a cryptocurrency is created prior to issuance or issued by a single issuer, it is generally considered centralized. Okay, cryptocurrency, sometimes called crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions, right? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that does not rely on banks to verify transactions, right? It is a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone, anywhere to send and receive payments, right? Cryptocurrencies do not have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units, right? Digital currencies or cryptocurrencies are electronic tokens generated by networks of computers to replace traditional currencies, right? Instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payments exist purely as digital entities to an online database describing specific transactions, right? Now, I'm talking about how does cryptocurrency work, right? Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Okay. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. Okay. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers, store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. Okay. If you own cryptocurrency, you do not own anything tangible, right? What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit of measure from one person to another without a trusted third party, right? Now, some history of cryptocurrency is there. In 1983, the American cryptographer David Chaum conceived an anonymous cryptographic electronic money called eCash. Later, in 1995, he implemented it through DigiCash, an early form of cryptographic electronic payments which required user software in order to withdraw notes from a bank and designate specific encrypted keys before it can be sent to a recipient, right? This allowed the digital currency to be untraceable by the issuing bank, the government or any third party, right? In 1998, Wei Dai published a description of B-money characterized as an anonymous distributed electronic cash system. Shortly thereafter, Nick Szabo described BitGold. Okay, in 2009, the first decentralized cryptocurrency known as Bitcoin was created by presumably pseudonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, it used SHA-256, a cryptographic hash function, in its proof of work scheme. Okay, in June 2021, El Salvador became the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. Okay, in August 2021, Cuba followed with resolution 215 to recognize and regulate cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Okay. Now we talk about something about blockchain. The validity of each cryptocurrency's coins is provided by a blockchain. A blockchain is a continuously growing list of records called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography, right? Each block typically contains a hash pointer as a link to a previous block, a timestamp and transaction data, right? By design, blockchains are inherently resistant to modification of the data, right? It is an open distributed ledger that can record transactions between two parties efficiently and in a verifiable and permanent way, right? For use as a distributed ledger, a blockchain is typically managed by a peer-to-peer network collectively adhering to a protocol for validating new blocks, right? Once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks, which requires collusion of the network majority, right? Blockchains are secure by design and are an example of a distributed computing system with high fault tolerance. Okay? Decentralized consequence has therefore been achieved with a blockchain. Okay? There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. Some of the best known are like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. Okay. Now, I just provide a scenario, the cryptocurrencies prices in India. So there are some cryptocurrencies name are there and also the price in India in rupees. Okay. First one, Bitcoin, near about price 32 lakh 65,396. Ethereum 2 lakh 15,643.5. Litecoin 8,489.89. Solana 7,260.9. Cardano 69.84 rupees. XRP 57.86 rupees. Avalanche 6,113.1 rupees. Okay. Now the most important part, what can we buy with cryptocurrency? When it was first launched, Bitcoin was intended to be a medium for daily transactions, making it possible to buy everything from a cup of coffee to a computer or even big ticket items like real estate. Okay, that has not quite materialized, and while the number of institutions accepting cryptocurrencies is growing, okay, large transactions involving it are rare. Here are some examples in the field of technology and e-commerce sites like AT&T, like newegg.com, Microsoft. They can use these cryptocurrencies. Okay, luxury goods like Rolex, big dials companies, they use cryptocurrencies. In the car fields and insurance field also use these cryptocurrencies. Okay. Now this is last question is that, is cryptocurrency safe? Cryptocurrencies are usually built using blockchain technology. Okay, blockchain describes the way transactions are recorded into blocks and time-stamped. Okay, it is fairly complex technical process, but the result is a digital ledger of cryptocurrency transactions that is hard for hackers to tamper with. In addition, transactions require two factors authentication process. One is entering username and password, and after getting the authentication code to register mobile number. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is that what is cryptocurrency and what it use. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Thank you and bye bye.